All right, we're back. We picked up the other cat. It's I'm pretty excited. So we're gonna get it out of the car. We're gonna welcome it home to its new home, and we're gonna put it in the chicken coop with the other cat. Welcome home. He feels like he's about 15 pounds. It's heavy as a bowling ball. I know. She's in there hiding.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. She's in there hiding in the corner. Looks like she's been using the litter box.
Carol, did she eat all of her food? No, she's still got food and water.
All right. You ready to come out in your new home? That is his mama.
So he'll know that, and hopefully.
Yeah. Well, come on.
Oh, he's gonna be his hay press. Okay. He's like, I need to get over here. He's scared.
Yeah, he is. It's okay.
I was gonna say, will the ladder reach up there so they could get up there so they don't have some place to go? We don't want them to be miserable for the next 2 weeks, you know? What about your ladder that's in the garage, will that reach
No, we need to.
over? You don't have a ladder at all that'll reach?
What I probably should do is bring in the rabbits, because they can jump on the thing, jump up on the.
Why do we want them to jump up on the rabbit cages
Because that way they can get up there.
and terrorize the bunnies doing that?
I don't know. Figure this out. Anyhow, I just wanted to share this with you, this moment. We now have 2 barn cats, and I'm excited. So hopefully we're going to decrease the mouse population. Thank you. Have a great night. God bless.